Hello everyone. In this video, you're going to see how to connect an LED to an Arduino and make it blink using mBlock. So let's get started. The components required for this experiment are breadboard, Arduino Uno, an USB cable, jumper wires, 1 kilo ohm resistor, and an LED. The LED has two terminals. The longer terminal is the anode and the shorter terminal is the cathode. Anode is a positive terminal and the cathode is a negative terminal. Insert the LED to the breadboard and connect a 1 kilo ohm resistor to the anode of LED. The other end of the resistor is connected to the Arduino using jumper wires. Connect the other end of the resistor to the Arduino pin number 7, that is digital pin 7, and the cathode of LED is connected to the ground of Arduino. And now connect the USB cable and connect the Arduino and your laptop. Open the mBlock application in your laptop. As you can see, this is the mBlock application. This is where we code for the Arduino. Go to the devices and click the plus button. Select the Arduino Uno and click on OK. As you can see, there are many options and there are many functions. This is the workspace where you will code. And the main reason we are using mBlocks is it is easy for coding purpose. If you are a beginner to robotics, you can use mBlocks, or if you do not have any prior experience in coding, you can use mBlock. If you feel difficulty to code, you can use mBlock. It is like a jigsaw puzzle. And now let us go to the process of blinking an LED. So you can see here, the first one is go to events and select when Arduino Uno starts up. So what is this used for? You know that you cannot run the program without turning on the Arduino. So whenever the Arduino turns on, so the meaning of that statement is whenever the Arduino turns on, the following instructions have to execute. Next, go to control, and for the purpose of blinking the LED, we have to make it to blink forever. We have for example, you can make it to blink for 1 time or 2 times or so many times as you want. For this experiment, we are making to blink it forever. So the meaning of the code is whenever the Arduino Uno starts up, the following set of instructions runs on forever. That is why I use the forever part here. So you know what is blinking? Blinking is nothing but a continuous process of turning on and off the LED having some duration. So, for example, in this case, let us consider that now when an LED turns on, it has to be turned on for 1 second, then it has to be turned off for 1 second. If this process takes on forever, then it looks like the LED is blinking. So to do that, go to the pins option and select set digital pin output as high. drag and place it inside the forever loop. Next, go to control and drag and drop the wait option. Duplicate it and then insert it in the forever loop. As I've connected my LED to pin 7, I'll change the pin number to 7 in the program. As I said, first the LED has to turn on. It has to be on for 1 second and then it has to be turned off. So I'm changing the second line to turn off. That is, I'm changing it to low. So according to the program, whenever the Arduino Uno starts up, the following set of instructions executes forever. That is, first the LED turns on. It turns on for 1 second. Then the LED turns off. It is in off condition for 1 second. And this process executes forever. Now let me connect my Arduino to mBlock. So to do that, go to the connect option and click on connect and select show all connectable devices. As my Arduino is connected to COM7, I'm selecting that and then click connect. Now my Arduino is connected to mBlock. Next, always do remember that whenever you finish a project or whenever you do coding, remember to save the project. To save the project, click on the save icon and click on save as. Give a name for your project and then click OK. As you can see, now our project is successfully saved. Now let us upload the program. Click on the upload button. Now the program is being uploaded to your Arduino. As you can see, the code has been uploaded and the LED turns on for 1 second and it turns off for another 1 second. It turns on, it turns off with a delay of 1 second. Now let us change the time delay in the program. Now let me change to 0.5 seconds instead of 1 second. What happens here is the LED turns on for 0.5 seconds and then it turns off for 0.5 second. 0.5 second is nothing but half a second. As per the code, whenever the Arduino Uno starts up, the following set of instructions runs forever. The LED connected to pin number 7 turns on for 0.5 second and then it turns off for 0.5 second. Now upload the code to the Arduino. As you can see, the code has been uploaded and the LED is blinking for 0.5 second. Also, you can see that the LED has been blinking faster compared to the previous one. The LED turns on for 0.5 second and it turns off for 0.5 second. Now let me change the time duration. In this case, I'll set the time duration. One is 0.5 second and the other duration is 2 seconds. That is, I turn on the LED for half a second and I turn it off for 2 seconds. And now I'm uploading the code to the Arduino. As you can see, the code has been uploaded and the LED turns on for 0.5 seconds and it turns off for 2 seconds. Similarly, you can change the time delay and you can work on various other experiments, and also you can try using various different kinds of devices like buzzer or any other output devices. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Chennai Robotics Club.